All right, so we've got our Automata box. Notice this drawing file is called Basic Automata, and then I created a new component. That component is this box right here. So what I want to do is I want to add my handle. In my last video, I made my handle, and that should be in my data panel over here. Since the last video, what I did was I created an automata folder and I put my basic automata file, which is this one, in there. I put all of my cams in there and I put my handle in here. So what I want to do is I want to take my handle, I want to put it in here, and then I'm going to place it in the hole and I'm going to give it some rules. And so first, insert into current design. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to move this in here like this. Okay, because we're going to use join, and join and move are included. Move is included in the join command. So when you place things, what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's oriented the correct way. So it's not like turned this way. So we want to okay, I'm going to put it in there. So I want it to be the same orientation as when I do move it into place. So that's one thing that you can't do is rotate the object, and click OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to join this to this hole here. So I'm going to join this circle and this circle. Join command is up here. It's this symbol here. If you don't see the symbol, use the pull down. Okay, so I'm going to pick the end and center. I want to make sure I pick the center of this circle and the center of this circle. Now remember, I made my handle 7 inches. So this is where the move command comes into place when you're using join. I still have the ability to move. So I'm going to move that over 1 inch. Okay, so don't mess around with moving when you first put the part in there. Just get it oriented the correct way, because you want to be able to select both objects, the handle and the box. If I had the handle in there, it would be really hard. Like if I moved the handle into place here, it would be hard to pick this circle. Like I could pick this one, but not that one. It would be hard. Okay, now, new stuff. I have a joint. I don't want this to be rigid. I want this to be revolute. So when I change this to revolute, see, I went over to the motion portion of joint, changed it from rigid to revolute. The symbol changes and it does a revolution. It gives me a little revolute symbol on the joint there. I'm going to click OK. So that's how I place my handle into the box.